awesome. He's on our team. We win. Ooh, good map, good map. Here we go. Clutch out, Metal. You want to get deleted? Can't delete Metal. Here we go. Insane clutch right here. I jump through this. Come around here. Triple kill right here. Triple kill right here. Triple it up. Proxy mine. This kid's a legend too. Wow. He's okay. For level 1, he's a legend. Man. Never mind, he's not a level 1. It's pretty good. ESPN's got the whole team on him. What? Approximation mine. He stays there. Pin him, pin him, pin him, pin him. That's a kill. He hits me with this, watch. And he's still right there. No, he changes the angle, he goes down center. No, he stayed up there. Boom! He wanted it. He's thinking too long on it. Because he's only got one shot. He's one. Get them all to one, get them all to one. Finish XJ. That should have killed him. Watch the hip fire pattern. Watch the hip fire pattern. No, it wasn't doing that earlier. It's when you jump. That's right. This sight is hard to use. You want to build it for... It's a great scope if you're going to build the gun for recoil control. I see that. Let him smoke the assault bot, waste all his ammo. Nice finish, guys. We all stayed alive. Who needs nothing? I guess I'm the only one. He's gonna be right here again. Oh, tap him a little bit. Level 1s aren't gonna go to the depot and heal. 2, 1. Give up on it. That's a kill. I think I just seen someone below us. It's friendly. They gotta be rotated. Yeah, they rotated us. Kid, where'd you go? XJ's gonna go right up there. Boom! Get him right out. That's a hard angle. They've gotta be still over here. I think I just seen one. Yep. He doesn't expect. Nice jump shot, headshot right there. I die right here. That's a hard spot. They've got to be right here. Go wide, go wide. Oh, how much health? 26. That's a kill. No, Lobo. Lobo jump, nice. Insane proxy mine back there. I don't trust it. 2, 1, 2, 1. I see it, I see it. He jumped. No! Keep watching, defensive. Yep, they're right here, they're right here. That's what gets me killed a lot. That's... What? He hit the depot when he went past it. Nice. That was yummy. Level 20. Nice. Level 1. That's how you do it. Maybe I'm wrong. Get him his one shot. Come on. Yes, dude. Clutch. Oofalix, I think that was. Or ESPN came through with an insane fourth party. Down there in the corner. 2, 1. They rotated us. Davies comes right up center. No, that's not what I meant, but... I get hit here. Hide behind the bush. Boom, picked it off. I don't know where that's... He cuts you off, I think. This kid gets let out right here.
Mission objective completion alert.
Lost him. I think I get dropped on him. Get that assault bot. We're out of ammo. 2. Oh, we get out of here. Boom! Come on, metal. Nice job. Feel like we get cut off here. Their team got wiped out right there. There's one more back there. He's running around super quick. As soon as I looked away. No! This proxy mine gets him.
1 minute to explode.
Nothing. He was hanging out. Just kind of letting him breathe a little bit. Final kill. Let's go. Every game.